Sometimes, you might have created your own Instagram AI chat. But when you open your Instagram app and go to your profile, you may notice the chat appearing at the top. If you want to hide this chat from your Instagram profile, you can do that easily. In this video, we'll show you how to do it. First, open the Instagram app. Then, at the bottom, you'll see your profile button. Tap on it. Once you do that, you'll see your Instagram AI chat. Tap on it. After that, you'll enter the chat, and at the top, you'll see the settings option. Tap on settings. Once you're in the settings page, you'll see an option called audience. Tap on audience, and then you'll find an option called show on my profile. If it's turned on, you need to disable it. After that, tap the done button, and then tap the publish button. Once you tap on that, your settings will be saved. Now, if you go back to your profile, you'll notice that the AI chat no longer appears there. This is how you can easily hide your Instagram AI chat from your profile. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.